Alright, I've got my Whirlpool Roper brand washer and matching dryer set. And right now we've got this washer just going through a normal cycle. It's nice and sudsy, it's doing an excellent job. It's got a great sound to it, nice strong agitation. Of course, all that's been checked. 28-point inspection on the washer, 22-point inspection on the dryer. Make sure it's working perfectly before it gets sold. And this little video here is just a way for you to kind of see that it is in fact working. So when you get it home, plug it in, no surprises. I'm going to let it finish up its cycle, and then when it gets to the spin, we'll come back for the spin and let you hear that, so you can see that it's spinning nice and fast and sounds good, no weird noises, nothing like that. Then we'll move the clothes over to the dryer and let you listen to the dryer. Okay, and we're back. Final spin. It's about full speed. As you can see and hear, it sounds great. It's not off balance, no weird noises or anything like that. Safety switch on the lid works. Spinning nice and fast. And good to go. So let it finish up and I'll show you the dryer. Okay, so we've got the washer cleaned out. See, it's nice and clean, super capacity there. And over here on the dryer, I've got it going over here on automatic dry, which is high heat. Open it up, and I'm going to show you with my little temperature gun that it is in fact nice and hot. Plenty of heat coming out of there. Heating element is directly below it, right about here. Comes up through this tube. Inside of your dryer can get anywhere from 100 to 195. Just depends on what setting you have it on. But that little tube can get pretty hot, so. As you can see, it's nice and smooth. Sounds great. No weird noises, not off balance or anything like that. So there you have it. Both of these are good to go. Take them home, plug them in. They're going to work like they should for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Otherwise, we'll get these listed up for sale, and I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks.